Welcome back. We started solving this question in the previous video and we looked at the first three parts. In this video, we are going to consider the last part, which is D. The image triangle A2, B2, C2 of triangle A1, B1, C1 under an enlargement from the point 1, 1 with a scale factor of 2, where A1 maps to A2, B1 maps to B2, and C1 maps to C2. So we are going to enlarge the point A1 to get A2, then we will enlarge the point B1 to get B2, and we will enlarge the point C1 to get C2. But this time, the center of enlargement is not the origin with coordinates 0, 0. The center of enlargement is the point 1, 1, and we are using a scale factor of 2. So let's do that. We are going to enlarge the point A1 to get A2, we enlarge the point B1 to get B2, and we enlarge the point C1 to get C2. The scale factor is 2, and the center of enlargement is the point 1, 1. We have learned that when a point is enlarged from the origin, the image is equal to the scale factor times the point. We are going to enlarge the point A1, B1, C1. These are the coordinates of A1, these are the coordinates of B1, and these are the coordinates of C1. Our center of enlargement is the point 1, 1. We have learned how to enlarge a point in the xy plane by using another point other than the origin as the center of enlargement. We said that when you have something like this, we are going to do it in 3 steps. And the first step is that you subtract the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged. After that, you enlarge the resulting point from the origin using the scale factor. After you are done with that, you add the center of enlargement to the result that you get in step 2. So that is exactly what we are going to do here. Let's begin with the point A1 with coordinates -1, -3. So we are going to enlarge A1 from the point 1, 1 with a scale factor of 2 to get A2. The first step is that we will subtract the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged. The point we are enlarging is -1, 3. The center of enlargement is 1, 1. So we are going to subtract 1, 1 from -1, 3. So we have -1, 3, -1, 1. -1 -1 will give us -2. Then -3 -1 will give us -4. So after subtracting the center of enlargement from the point to be enlarged, we are having -2, -4. The second step says that we should enlarge the resulting point. The resulting point is -2, -4. So we should enlarge -2, -4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. So we are going to enlarge the point -2, -4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. We have learned that when a point is enlarged from the origin, the image is equal to the scale factor times the point. So the image of the point -2, -4 will be equal to the scale factor, which is 2, times the point, which is -2, -4. 2 times -2 give us -4. 2 times -4 give us -8. So after enlarging the point -2, -4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2, we are getting -4, -8. The third and final step says that we should add the result in step 2 to the center of enlargement. The result in step 2 is -4, -8. The center of enlargement is 1, 1. So we are going to have -4 -8 plus 1, 1. -4 plus 1 give us -3, -8 plus 1 give us -7. So this means that when we enlarge the point A1 with coordinates -1, -3, using the point 1, 1 as the center of enlargement and a scale factor of 2, the point A1 with coordinates -1, -3 will give us the image A2 with coordinates minus 3, minus 7. We are going to do this same thing for point B1 and point C1. So point B1 has the coordinates minus 3, minus 1. The first step is that we will subtract 1, 1 from minus 3, minus 1. So we have minus 3, minus 1, minus 1, 1. Minus 3 minus 1 give us minus 4, minus 1 minus 1 give us minus 2. So after subtracting 1, 1 from minus 3 minus 1, we are having minus 4 minus 2. After that, we will enlarge minus 4 minus 2 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. So we are going to multiply the scale factor, which is 2, by the point minus 4 minus 2. 2 times minus 4 minus 2. 2 times minus 4 give us minus 8. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4. So after enlarging minus 2 minus 4 from the origin with a scale factor of 2, we are having minus 8 minus 4. After that, we will add minus 8 minus 4 to the center of enlargement, which is 1, 1. So we have minus 8 minus 4 plus 1, 1. Minus 8 plus 1 give us minus 7. Minus 4 plus 1 give us minus 3. So when the point B1 with coordinates minus 3 minus 1 is enlarged from the point 1, 1 with a scale factor of 2, the point B1 with coordinates minus 3 minus 1 will give us the image B2 with coordinates minus 7 minus 3. Let's move on to point C1. Point C1 has the coordinates minus 3 minus 4. So the first step, we are going to subtract 1, 1 from minus 3 minus 4. We have minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, 1. Minus 3 minus 1 give us minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 give us minus 5. So after subtracting 1, 1 from minus 3 minus 4, we are having minus 4 minus 5. The next step says that we have to enlarge minus 4 minus 5 from the origin with a scale factor of 2. And to do that, we will multiply minus 4 minus 5 by the scale factor, which is 2. So 2 times minus 4 minus 5. 2 times minus 4 give us minus 8. 2 times minus 5 will give us minus 10. So after enlarging minus 4 minus 5 from the origin with a scale factor of 2, we are having minus 8 minus 10. The third and final step says that we will have to add minus 8 minus 10 to the center of enlargement, which is 1, 1. So we have minus 8 minus 10 plus the center of enlargement, which is 1, 1. Minus 8 plus 1 will give us minus 7. Minus 10 plus 1 will give us minus 9. So this means that when the point C1 with coordinates minus 3 minus 4 is enlarged using the point 1, 1 as the center of enlargement and a scale factor of 2, the point C1 with coordinates minus 3 minus 4 will give us the image C2 with coordinates minus 7 minus 9. We now have the coordinates of A2, B2, and C2. We can draw the image triangle A2, B2, C2. So these are the coordinates of A2, B2, C2. We will plot them on the graph sheet and join them to get the image triangle A2, B2, C2. A2 has the coordinates minus 3, minus 7. So minus 3 on the x-axis and minus 7 on the y-axis. That will be here. B2 has the coordinates minus 7, minus 3. So minus 7 on the x-axis, minus 3 on the y-axis, and that will be here. And C2 has the coordinates minus 7, minus 9. So minus 7 on the x-axis and minus 9, that will be here. Now join them to get the image triangle A2, B2, C2. This is the point A2 with coordinates minus 3, minus 7. This is the point B2 with coordinates minus 7, minus 3. And this is the point C2 with coordinates minus 7, minus 9. So we have now finished solving the question. We started by drawing the triangle ABC. Then we enlarged the triangle ABC from the origin using a scale factor of -half to get the image triangle A1, B1, C1. After that, we enlarged the triangle A1, B1, C1 using the point 1, 1 as the center of enlargement and a scale factor of 2 to get the image triangle A2, B2, C2. Now you can see that when we enlarged the triangle ABC with a scale factor of -half to get the image triangle A1, B1, C1, the image triangle A1, B1, C1 has a smaller size than the triangle ABC. In the video on Introduction to Rigid Motion and Transformation, we learned that when an object undergoes a rigid motion, the size and shape of the object does not change. It only changes in position. But as we can see clearly here, when the triangle ABC was enlarged using a scale factor of -half, the size of the image triangle changed. And because of this, we can say that enlargement of an object in the xy plane is not an example of a rigid motion, because when an object is enlarged in the xy plane, the size of the object can change. In the video on Introduction to Rigid Motion and Transformation, we said that we will consider these 4 types of transformation. We started with reflection, we moved on to translation, then we moved on to rotation, and finally we have considered enlargement. In the subsequent videos, we are going to solve likely examination questions that involves these 4 types of transformations. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. As I've already said, in the next video and the subsequent ones, we are going to solve likely examination questions involving these 4 types of transformations. Bye-bye.